how to find who can see your followers on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your followers on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find followers and public content. Click on it and here you will find who can see your followers on your timeline, and you can make it for only your friends or no one. And that's how to find who can see your followers on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.